Welcome to our comprehensive guide on file handling in Java. In this tutorial, we'll dive deep into reading and writing files using Java programming language. First things first, what exactly is file handling? File handling is the process of manipulating files stored on a computer's file system. In Java, file handling enables you to perform tasks such as reading data from files, writing data to files, and manipulating files in various ways. File handling is crucial in Java as it allows you to interact with external files, enabling your programs to store and retrieve data from files. This is essential for applications dealing with data persistence, configuration files, logging, and more. Let's start with reading files in Java. To read from a file, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Open the file. 2. Read data from the file. 3. Close the file. Here's a code example demonstrating how to read from a file in Java. Java import Java. IO. File, import Java. IO. File not found exception, import Java. Util. Scanner, public class read file example, public static void main string, args. Try, file equals new file example. Text, scanner equals new scanner file, while, scanner. Has next line, string data equals scanner. Next line, system. Out. Println data, scanner. Close, catch, file not found exception e, system. Out. Println file not found. Now, let's move on to writing files in Java. To write to a file, you'll typically follow these steps. 1. Open the file for writing. 2. Write data to the file. 3. Close the file. Here's a code example demonstrating how to write to a file in Java. Java import Java. IO. File writer, import Java. IO. IO exception, public class write file example, public static void main string, args. Try, file writer equals new file writer output. Text, writer. Write hello, world, writer. Close, system. Out. Println data written to file successfully, catch, IO exception e, system. Out. Println an error occurred, e, print stack trace. That's it for our guide on file handling in Java. We covered how to read from and write to files using Java, essential skills for any Java developer. With these techniques, you can manipulate external files to build powerful and dynamic applications.